So I just got back from African store now. My husband said he wants to eat Nkwobi, so I went to buy. We went together actually. We went to buy the Nkwobi. I'll show you guys that we bought this Indomie, onions Indomie. We bought this one, and here is the one. This is the second one. So that's these two. I also bought pepper, and I bought okra randomly. What again did I buy? I bought some plantain chips, 3. Yeah. I also bought this yellow gari and this coconut, peanut, whatever. So all these items I showed you guys, this is a receipt from Foodrika. Everything was £38 3 pence. £38, yeah. So that's how much I spent in just 2 or more: pepper, the okra, Indomie, the plantain chips, the coconut peanut, and the curry. £38. So let's make Nkwobi for hubby. So this is the receipt. Martina, yeah, I also drank Martina. Well, that's basic. Sorry, okay? You don't also close it up to the sun.
Mommy, she's trying to like it more.
I'm so sorry about that, okay?
Okay.
Come on, don't find these dishes, love.
No.
It's not so, it's at school, her class. Because they're having a walk.
To where?
To church. So I need to send them an email to tell them that I'll walk social class to church. You've been born, girl. So you keep growing. When you grow now, you enter high school. what we have. Look at what we have. Who wants some? Let me go and dig in. Dig in. There's still more in the pot. So dig in.
One more, Mommy.
One more. There's no more. So we got a ball. Let's unbox our ball bag. See, listen. Can I talk? Okay. People will not litter the house with this ball. No littering.
Now he's scattering. Now scattering.
Hey, there's so much ball here. You'll be playing games with it. There's still some more balls here. We'll get like a basket. Then someone will stay in one corner. You throw. If it enters, if you throw like 5 inside, so follows. No. So come and stay here. Balls. More balls. More balls. So see. So come, let it run on you. Come and stay here. Okay, now.
I look like tomatoes.
You see everywhere. So don't match them, oh. Because anyone you match now will spoil.
Wow, Mommy, look. We are going. Look.
So don't match it, oh.
So they look like that.
Because if you match it now, it will spoil. Balls everywhere. Everywhere.
You have 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
At least, which one is my color? Green. Can I take?
I am green.
Yeah.
Which color will I not take?
Take
Red.
Red. See your head.
No cheating. Stand here. Come here.
You got to stand behind it like that. True. Fail.
Take.
This is the amusement park.
Fail.
Gently.
Woohoo! Fail.
Gently.
Woohoo! Fail.
So do jelly.
Fail. I'm not seeing anyone. Oh gosh.
And it's finished. I'll let you sit down. Oh, damn.
Oh, that's gotten 3. Be careful behind. My stuff is behind.
I think you're cheating at this.
5.
So you want to be a basketballer?
Come on, baby, come on.
You want to be a basketballer?
6.
Finish! 6.
Okay.
Next person.
It's my turn. It's my turn. I'm color red.
How your mother will misbehave?
No, Mika. All 10. All 10. All 10 you go in.
I told you your mommy was not.
Give me 2.
2, Mike, the T.
It's right.
Come on. Come on. I think it's 4.
That's your fault.
Hi, I got only 4. Oh gosh. Why you throw now? Okay now.
If I don't win, nobody's going anywhere.
Steady.
Okay.
Okay now. 1. Just 1. 2. 3. What is it I feel like?
Forget it.
5. 6.
Put it back in the basket and let's keep counting. The next person is the red ball. What's the color? Blue. Blue. Let's count it now. 1, 2, 4, 5,
6.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 6.
Then mine is 1, 2, 3, 4.
You see?
I got 4.
4 of them at the same time. 4. Alright, count that this one.
1, 2,
I put there.
At the bottom of 4, 6.
I mean, you got to say super. 5.